29 to the upside. So it's really just in this little range. I'm just mapping out this little range that I'm using. Let's see what it does. 9 o'clock is gonna give up. It's gonna give something at 9 o'clock, and like normally it's like the opposite move of what the 9:30 is gonna be. Normally, I can do anything.
I can do anything.
Yeah.
All right, so boom, we have the VIX. Nice gap to the upside there. Pretty decent. It's very respectable if you ask me up. So that's, that's a little bit bearish to me. And we're approaching all-time highs. So do we have news today?
We had news earlier. That's why I was on the chart for fever earlier.
We have news at 8:30 and news at 10, news at 10:30, news at 1, news at 3, news at 4.
My phone looks like it's completely go black now. Oh,
Well, how are you on the phone with FIFA? What device are you using?
huh?
What device are you using for?
Oh shit.
Hello?
Um, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like my whole phone about to just go out.
Are you charging it?
Should I
Huh?
not be?
Hello?
Yeah, should I not be charging it?
Well, it could heat the phone up and then it could damage your display. So,
I'm about to.
but like I don't know if your phone's about to die or not. Do you know?
I don't
Have you been charging it all night?
know. I couldn't because I was scared.
Okay. Well, that means your phone's about to die. So Discord or how are we doing this?
I have my Discord open on my tablet.
Let's do that then.
I can add you in.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. I'm not gonna. Where you gonna hang out? I can't hang out.
Just let me know when you're in. When you add me in. Yeah.
I gotta figure it out. Why did you ask somebody in? Should I just make like a group or something? Well, I don't use Discord. I don't want to go in there. I
Uh,
don't know if this is.
hello.
It don't even show you on my thing. It's so weird. Like when I try to do like,
I'm calling you right now.
why did I already in a call? So how do I add?
Are we friends? I don't think we're friends. That's why.
Huh?
I don't think we're friends. Are we friends on Discord?
Who, you and me?
Yeah. Huh? We are. So then, yeah, just like hit add at the top right. Well, free, bro. If it's not working, I'm not gonna waste any more time on this. That's gonna get me frustrated. I don't have time.
It should not be frustrating.
It's going to, because it's like simple when simple stuff just starts getting complicated. It's just like yeah, just for it's not that serious. Hmm. What do you mean? I'm saying we don't have time. We literally don't have time for
I
that.
got it.
I'm not in the call though. So,
Okay.
all right, I'm about to hang up. Unless you. All right. All right. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Okay.
Let me hang up.
Okay.
All right, can you hear me?
Hey.
All right.
Hi. Yeah. Okay.
What's up, Fever?
Okay. Negative fever, negative.
What's going on?
Negative.
All right. Let me get situated now. Damn, we already moved 252 points today.
What did ABATR say?
On a 352 point ATR. So that's interesting.
I'm definitely sticking with the micros today. Yeah, I don't blame you. That's all I stick to. We got a 4-hour and hourly for writing up proposals. And we got some hourly retests we never retested. That's 725 and 763. Interesting. ADX is at 21. So we're right on the cusp of Chuck. That's fun.
We didn't tap yesterday's close, did we?
Yes. I think I did take it off because you talking about like for today or yesterday's close?
Today's.
Okay, so today we're like 200 points away.
Oh yeah, okay, makes sense.
210 points actually from where we're at right now.
This should be interesting.
Yeah. And then we still got that Friday's close way down. Like, yeah. Like that hourly rate. That's 617.
Yeah, I'm looking at that too. Because if I'm looking closely at let me see, I'm trying to make my drawings out. Give me 1 second. My horizontal ray. Because that 117 is like resistance because we did the triple top. So we do need to break it and hold above it. I'm looking at that. Of course, then we would have that weight. I'm not very concerned
Yeah, that's like a hard break for me. And then on the 5,000, take 630 is a major break area as well.
Let me go with my trade rate. I have my tick chart on my trade rate going.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Okay. Okay, cool.
Let me see that 1 hour. Like that 5 minutes I push down. So that was that rejection of that.
Yep.
See how we react.
If we break at 584 and hold it, I'll be looking to go.
Let me
Price action so slow. For it to be 9:15. Goodness.
exactly. We're bouncing off the 9 EMA. I wanted to on the 5 minute. I'm sorry. I gotta remember to say my time frames. Want to see if we push below it.
That's the right at the top of the funnel for value gap.
Okay.
We just dip back into it actually.
Mm. Do, 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 do.
Hmm. What was the ATR stuff again?
Um, we got a 300. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have a 352-point ATR on the day, so see what happens. I'm low key like looking for a reversal, but I don't know. Like, I just have to wait for more price action. This structure is actually garbage.
We already moved, you said you were 200 and something already?
Yeah, like 252 points. So we're already short of all-time highs for real. So, um, yeah, we like basically today. It's very unlikely for it to hit all-time highs. Let's see though.
I'm thinking I might try to go up and like tap into this like 4 hour gap. 4 hour always the value gap and then probably hit a reversal after that. Because then it'll just be retracing, but that's like a whole 100 points from where we're at.
Yeah, and on the weekly, we already. Yeah, we got an 855 point weekly candle on a 755 point ATR. That's very interesting. Very interesting.
So Friday might be a whole retrace day. We might go check out like Friday's close or stuff. Maybe, possibly.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Possibilities.
Let's see what it's gonna do. I wanna see how if it do go up and see it break and retest 630. I don't know, my ADS is not responding to little. There's a little bit of movement that right here. It's still at 21.
Yeah, we got a lot of them. Like for pre-market, we got a lot of volume on the volume profile, and it's just say it's a lot of volume. Not really much information to take aside yet, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Got buying stacking at the high, 400 orders. Was it 920? Yeah. Very interested on how we take out 638 because we left a lot of wicks there, but we didn't retrace that much. So I'm curious as to how we try and sweep it or not. Very curious.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too. I'm trying to make sure like when it breaks 630 and retest, I don't want to get caught up like, oh, it's just a sweep. But I'm looking at this right now, the player swing, but I'm not 100% sure yet. It has to break 584. It has to be a player swing higher. It's so crazy because like we pushed out of this 4 hour value gap, but in turn of pushing out of it, we made another 4 hour value gap.
Push back to my 1 hour.
This price action right now is like hugging my arm around. I'm still open.
Yeah, volume's stacking at the highs there. It looked like buyers got trapped at the high. That's what I'm seeing, which makes sense. Like the most dominant market participant right now are sellers, in my opinion. All the buyers are like 200 orders, 100, but you see like 500 orders, 600 orders right here to sell. We'll see though. Still too early to call.
I don't think we have no more news today, huh?
We got news. We got news at 10, 10:30.
I see it. It's not showing on chart, but I see it in the events calendar. Talk about the on the shit.
All right, 200 here.
ADS is still at 21.
Yeah, there's definitely the sellers. 700 orders to sell. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting.
Right, looking for.
ADX went down to 18. So now we're officially in shop.
Thirty seconds to open. This is gonna be a doozy.
Alrighty.
Trying to watch how we sweep this low. There were some buys down there, but I don't think they're gonna hold.
We see a break 584. We tapped it, didn't break it.
Sellers stacking at this level between 592 and 587. 600 orders. ES is ripping lower a little bit. Yeah, ES is just, this is weird. 700 orders, 800 orders to sell. Got bought back up.
Oh wow.
And close to that 617.
Yeah, sellers are still dominant here in this price range. I'm curious what's gonna happen. I'm gonna wait. Not seeing no commitment to either side, so I'm sitting on my hands. Ah. So buyers stacking at the hive, almost, what was that, 800 orders at the top. Smackdown sellers. That's interesting. 900 orders at the top. Nice. I don't believe it though. 1K orders at the top there. I'm watching these highs. I need a little bit more.
Retouching 617 right now.
I'm watching these highs.
Yeah, go breaking home through 630.
If it fails these highs, if it fails this high, I'm gonna take a sell. 600 over this to buy there. Let's do it.
At 630, got broken close above.
I'm watching this. The seller's stepping in right there at that high. Red on the tape there. Any retest I'm getting it for, so watching it. Let's go here. 16 points. 32.
I don't know why I didn't split the wick.
Got in there, but entry was kind of chopped. $50 to the dealer. 50. $50 to the dealer. I wanted to sweep 575 at least, maybe. I'll just get out. But this is a decent trade.
This one has not broken at 584 level.
Thing is, I'm not really bearish on a week, so it's like I don't even want to hold this. Almost want to just close it here. Actually, shop too. Fuck. Still stepping in there.
Okay.
I want to see if they sweep the high.
Okay. Why is it showing this?
I'm back to 6:30 again.
Craziest bear system T. Don't respect it, bro. It's about to be what? 1Q? It's just half of 1Q. Like, what are we doing? I'm saying, like, back to the dealer. Bro, this is not right, bro. Volume stacking at the highs.
18 minutes left until a new hourly candle and 4 hours.
Gotta be 1Q orders at the top. Bro, this is strong. Like, it's 800 orders at the top. Like, this is. Don't believe it, bro. I just don't. Sorry.
I mean, for it to show me that it's strong, I really all want to see it close above 617 and then come and retap it to continue higher if it's going higher. We got about 17 minutes. And it has to close above 617 in that time frame. If not, then I was a fake out.
Yeah, I got in at 639.
Just super pretty. And she's at 29. And back down to that 617.
Yeah, it was bearish for some T. EOS was just really weak. Once we were stacking at the high, that was just like for me, I guess. But 1K orders about at the bottom. Look at that. Are they gonna get? Oh, they got. Oof. Let's see. I'm already break even. Yeah, 1K orders again. Look like we're just respecting the structure. Honestly, I think I'm gonna cut this trade.
It keeps catching itself at the top of the 4 hour. So I like the way it looks in the picture.
No,
I'm still waiting for a 584 break. Reaches.
yeah, those 1K orders got ate up. So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those 1K orders got ate up. So unless it catches a bid again at the bottom, I'm holding this.
Baby, what you saying over there? And she gonna be talking to her wife.
I don't like it, bro. It's just, I think we're just
That's
respecting the
all
structure.
I would take. FAG, let it go. It caught itself on a trend line. It created a trend line.
That's what's really scaring me. That trend line look like it wants to get respected.
But it caught itself on it.
900 orders to sell, got 8 up. I might call it here. I want this U15, see how it does there. No, it's not that much volume. I close it. Oh well. It's just not, it's literally like 100 orders. Like, what the hell is going on here? I close it. That's what it is.
Caught itself on that 584 again, bro. I don't know why I won't just break it and hold it like I wanted to. You keeps looking to it and reversing.
ES is taking a low there. So let's bullish S&T, but I think ES leading is a good sign for going down. But holy, like, I just gave up my entry, unfortunately.
I don't know. We got an hourly break of that 581.
What the hell? What is this? It's just no selling on this leg down. That's kind of concerning to me. Just okay, but I don't know.
Alright, so what I'm saying is we're bouncing off that long EMA. I want us to melt through it. That's on my 15-minute chart, which it seems like we might. And we might continue this all the way down. I don't see support until we get 542. So if we cut through support, we can keep falling. But I have VWAP on my 15-minute at 550. So if we cut through this long EMA, which was just sitting at 576, we might keep going down. And my long EMA is the 21 EMA. We could keep going down, but right now, where we keep bouncing, that's support on my 1 hour and my 15-minute. So we gotta break that 76 area.
Okay. 76 and okay, yeah, that's what I don't know where I got it at 581 for my hourly body break. 12 minutes left on this candle. I mean, on this hourly candle.
And this isn't much for open. This is really kind of dead to me for opening.
600 orders to sell at the bottom. I'm in this off that fair value gap. It's not weak, it's weak, bro. It's like 600 and 100. It's getting weak. Might get bought up here. But ES is what's giving me confidence. 700 orders to sell there. Yes, it's weak. That's just what's giving me confidence. Stupid.
I think at the top of that 4 hour horizontal. They ran both sides of liquidity, this little chop range that we ran. We ran buy side and then we came down and ran sell side. And now we're back in the range. Yeah,
I mean, look at that. I'm in love with this tick chart though, because that tick chart just look like it's look like we're about to start pushing up from that 1,000 tick chart.
She's at 1,000.
Mm-hmm. Like we're pushing through the upward trend until like if we hit, let me see, I have resistance at 624, and we might start pushing back down from the 1,000 tick chart. If we break 624 and 1,000 tick chart, we'll probably keep pushing up. And we didn't break it. It might be a retest.
Hmm.
Yeah, we got to retest it on 1,000 tick chart. Strong as hell. So keep filling right there. Sorry, I'll speak up. 624 is holding strong here. So I'm not sure. See, now we might push through it. We just broke in up above it a little bit. We need to hold above it. And that might be our push. And we'll to the upside.
Yeah.
But we're not holding. We just peek and now we might be going up.
What's pissing me off is this ES is just sleeping. It's literally going down. Like, it doesn't make any sense.
I think this might be a false move. I don't know. It's making that little round top I like so much. I need to take a step back. I'm getting chopped up for some reason. Mm,
What all are you watching? You watching ES? What else are you watching?
That's it.
Just ES.
Training is left in this hourly. I want to see it hold above 617 if it wants to go higher.
And this 1 minute gap here is really huge, but I don't know. Yeah, this is weak, bro. This is really giving me yeah, so like this is literally has not even flipped. We've been below that low since. This is strange. Quite curious.
What the hell was that?
Mhm.
What was that?
Yes.
I have no idea what it was. I had no take profit anywhere, but it hit and took out something and took me out. It just closed the trade.
Took liquidity again. What's going on?
And this might be a push up. This is looking like a go. And look like 15 minutes. Get my tick chart. So we hit 69, 59 reverse.
You ever coming up there?
This looks like resistance right here for a minute.
So 1K orders to buy at the top there. I think I believe the buys though. We'll see though. 1K orders at the tippity top though. That's what's scaring me. Strong though.
Right, consolidate here and pull back.
Move, child. Girl.
And this is a nice push up. Ooh, that was it. That was a 30-point drop. Okay. Scalpel's paradise right here, right now.
It ain't my paradise. I'll tell you that one.
This is not it. This is not it.
This is not it.
Your scalping is gonna murk you. This is not a hold.
My shoulder is not thriving in this condition.
No. And I swear I moved from being scalping to holding longer, and now I'm kind of regretting it because now when I'm starting to, now when I should be scalping, it's so difficult because I'm like, okay, I need to be holding. No, this ain't it.
I'm scalping, but at the same time, on this 5,000 tick chart, it's like the moves are happening too quickly, and it's not agreeing with my style. Like,
Yeah, I might have to go back to the drawing board, start, because when I was scalping, I used to hold for like crazy, like 10, 15 seconds.
Right.
And this ain't it. And my whole time now has been like 10, 15 minutes. And that's not gonna do it here. Yeah, my trade's time to work out. It's not gonna do it here. This shit is like murder.
It's all one K orders to buy here. I think we're going up overall, but it's just gonna take a lot of time.
doing consolidation heavy. This is bad. Okay. What? Lay down. Let's go. Let's see.
Got room on the hourly.
Oh wow, look at that down. Oh.
Yes, it's melting. Yep. That's yes, it's just melting.
I'm gonna back up at 584. I'm gonna just call ourselves again. Oh, why don't you just break? The hourly break is at 581.
This is nasty.
Once a break, 581. We good, bro. Like, have to freaking hold it. But really get out of this hourly fair value that for come on. But it's having a hard time.
I'm waiting for this new 15 because clearly we're just shopping.
We're chopping, but we already know the 88 is at 36. Oh, yeah. What's my follow through?
It's weird because ES is literally broken out through the range, but NAS does not do anything. You have not done anything on NAS, in my opinion. I think once we create that 5-minute gap, new 15 takes us lower. Pretty much damn near fill the gap on the VIX too, so this is interesting.
Today was BS.
I had to tap that 5 there. Tapped it. It's watching.
Ooh, this is ugly and slow. Oh,
Expected that 5 minute pretty nicely. Yes, it's still dropping. Yes is the only thing that's literally like making me scared to buy this.
that's a nice drop, but it's not holding. What the hell?
It's gonna keep playing. I feel like it's just, I don't know. It's not gonna give me that hourly break I want to see.
We're definitely in the range right now. Consolidating.
Mm. I don't think we're gonna drop down again. This new 4 hour candle highest point is the top of this range. Repeat. We have a 4 hour for the value gap underneath us. I'll even stop talking. Okay, grab this. Grab it. Go. Go. There we go. I don't see why children are just early fighting at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Are we about to finally see some action? No.
Wait,
Yes, it's still dropping. Like yes is the obviously the cleanup pair right now, but yeah, we're just still dropping on yes.
Let me switch over to MES. Oh,
Like I'm kind of waiting for NASA to just catch up for crying out loud.
I think it might happen now. I need to push on that too.
We might break out this range. We just hit the bottom of that range on NQ. But we keep bouncing. We just hit the
Mhm.
bottom of the range.
Just more. Like, dang, just break the knee 581 and hold. Like, why can't you just do it and just get this over with? Okay, I'm hard-headed. I'm not gonna be rebel. Why not?
Alright, this
I'm get right about to do it here. Trying to.
we push it with momentum.
ADX is curling up. It's at 31. There we go. But hold it. But hold it. Close beneath 78.
Is this it?
There we go. Yep, it closed beneath 78. Let me see a retest and push off.
Nice volume through this leg down. I like it. But let's see how we take the low out here. That's where we rejected from before. Yes, it's still melting. Did we hit yesterday's? No, we're nowhere close to yesterday's close. 300 orders at the bottom there. That's good.
There we go.
Pushing it with body. Come on. We need some momentum.
Don't touch like that.
500. You might get bought up here. Watching that. If it doesn't, I'm trailing like ultra tight. If it don't respect that candle, I have to close it. 12 orders to buy, I gotta close it. They gotta instantly drop down here. Yes, nice. 500 orders to sell. Buy back up. 600 orders to sell. Nice. At the bottom, are we gonna get bought back up? Trailing super tight. 600 orders to sell. It gotta break this low here. Nice. 500. Nice.
You gotta break 540. Let me see, break 540.
Yes, took its low beautifully. Yeah, this is a winner. Yeah, this is a winner here. This is a winner. 200 orders at the bottom. I just don't want it to catch a bid because ES is Nasdaq was the strongest one here of the two. So if it catches a bid, I gotta get out. Holy shit. Ah. $100 orders to sell at the bottom is getting weak. It gotta flush here with volume. I'm watching that.
ADX is at 48, almost at caution.
If it flips green, I'm getting out 100%. Actually, I'm gonna take some off. I'm gonna take off like 5. I'm selling. I should buy. Took off. It's flip green. Took off 5. it continues, that'll be great. But you know how NASA's been doing all day.
I'm not gonna call a manager now. I'm gonna trade.
$200 orders to sell at the bottom. 226, 232. There we go. Nice.
540.
Go again.
540 break. 540 break, and then we'll fall into that hourly fair value gap.
Nope, I'm out. 200 orders to buy. It's stacked. I'm out. It just took liquidity too. I'm out. That's not it for me. It keeps going. Oh well. Oh, flipping red there. I like that.
We're at 50 on the ADX. Caution.
400 orders at the bottom. That might flush here. Time is it? 28. If it keeps going down, I respect it, but it just flipped green. I'm okay. 500 orders to sell at the bottom. I might flush, yeah. Yeah, that might 500 orders to sell, but it's stacking. That's weird. Nope. Got bought back up. 200 at the bottom, yeah. Yeah, that's gone. Yeah. Still volume on this leg, so I think you still get the move here. Maybe in this 1 minute gap. It's a low volume node in there too. 1030 coming up. We tapped it. Click. We tapped it. I'm watching it. I don't think sellers are like, there's literally 65, 100. Like, it's not that much selling down here anymore. Look like they bought this low up, which makes sense. And selling the VIX is no longer like, there's no more gaps to the upside on the VIX, so it's just more like a buy if you ask me. Maybe to like pull back into the range, like it's been doing all day. If that continues going lower, that'll be very, very interesting. Let's see. What the hell? Yeah, we got room either direction, so because it's been chopping all day.
We got a 4-hour retest as well at 495. We broke it and never retested, so
Well, we really went back to that low. Interesting. Interesting.
yeah, we came back up and we tapped at 578, but we never tapped it when we broke it.
It's light volume here to sell though. Very light. It's not strong. I might give it. No. It's just because it's below a small. Ooh, look at that. 300, 400 orders to sell. Got bought back up. 400 orders to sell again. 100 orders. I'm gonna sit on my hands here. It's like a 15-minute gap that we're kind of in. So we could see like some type of pullback. 64 orders to sell. It's not strong. 400
the
orders.
540 is coming. That's the midline of the 4-hour for value gap.
500 orders to sell. Takes the low again. It's not flushing though.
No, around 537.
I just don't like the fact it's 500 orders to sell at the bottom. We're not flushing. That's kind of crazy. watching it. Look like ES getting a little. What is? Yeah, look like ES getting. Yeah, ES getting a little strong there.
For that time of consolidation that we did, that drop was not as strong as it should have been. The push down was not as strong as it should have been. We consolidated for a good 15 minutes, almost.
Part of me wants to believe it's a sell, and a part of me wants to believe like we're about to get bought up here. $866. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 866. 866. To the. Yeah, 60, 69. Got money. Got money, 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 money. Say 300. What's 300 make 300? Yeah, I want to pull back into the range because we've been ranging literally all day. So maybe like at least to take the high of this fair value gap. Maybe.
We didn't take the nail on the 4 hours because I was out. I don't know how I get about those. Like it has to do it, came all this way to not do it.
Almost 900 orders to sell at the bottom. Stacking. You gotta break the low though. Respecting that woman. Respecting that woman to get. Yeah.
That's a break the whole 549.
We literally have all these like not breaking. What type of bullshit is it? Might tap that 5 minute there. Looking for the high of that 5 minute. I think I'm gonna close here. Let's see. So low arm low.
That's the midline, which is actually the 581 already for
A little bit of buying in there. That's good. As we are going up, so I like to see a little bit. It's nice. Smackdown with sellers. A little bit of competition in here. Yeah, just fucking close it. Got the 5 minute. Respect it. Nice.
Wow, and that was a nice drop.
Mm.
Don't believe it, bro. I literally don't believe it. I literally don't believe it. There's so much volume on the like at the bottom of this range to the downside, but we're not going down. It's like that's weird. I feel like we're trapping people to go up. I just don't believe it.
I want to see the push down pause 549. Getting a model code on here. Model code and go talk to these already provided up for me. What time is it? Almost 10:45.
Bit high. Take that. Nice.
Ooh. Let's see, if we hold the bug, I might take a long, but I still don't have confidence in this.
Me either.
No, it can't really be the distance on a 584 grade.
Kind of want
I was
to.
jumping to a stone off of that.
So what?
I kind of got into a stone off of that.
Off what?
But my stock is tight. It's at 588. Because I don't want to see it go back up there at all.
It's a new 15. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this. This is just not even moving with any urgency. It sounds at the top there too, bro. I'm not even. Actually, no, I lied. It's buyers. Nice. I'll break even on this. $500 orders to buy. It's good. It's top of that 5-minute. We just tapped it, rejected it.
You take the second one right there just to stop me out and then go and look at it.
Ooh, nice.
There.
You
I
said,
found it. It stopped me out.
oh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I promise you, bro. It did it on purpose.
When it's melting hard.
Nope, I'm not. Nope, I'm not going.
Yes, it's dropping too, so that's good.
Let's see.
It's weird. So weird.
We're creating a trend line on our little bullet that we had. and it just broke it and it's resuscitating it right now. Break 549. We're gonna be going down to the run gap. There we go. Let's try down with it.
If we break this, we should melt. If we break 42, but it's not. We need to break that strong. It needs to hold below and just melt, but it's not melt.
It's at the top of the fair value gap on the 1 hour.
Fair value got 1 hour.
Yep. If it's 1 hour, that's 10 minutes. If it goes beneath 581, it might be a reset for 581. So continue on.
I need to go. Hold on 1 second.
We're like at 581 right now. We might try to go to it now. We just rejected the 581 again. Just try it again. Top it up with how you got.
U5.
Oh, 537. There's a 537. There we go. There's a 4. Nice.
Midline.
Almost. Almost.
I'm done today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm done. Like,
I've been done.
done.
I'm just trading on my practice account.
Like a bitch. Trap them by.
Midline is top of the hour. You gotta go to hour. Baby.
Oh. What a wicked day, bro. What a wicked day, man. What a wicked day. Like I figured if we took buy side, we would run lower. But that was the worst price action I've ever seen in my life. Like, holy.
Mm-hmm.
I think what I need to do better is just not taking every trade. Like, the only trade here, for real, was this low here. So we swept it all the way to this high. This one right here, all the way down. 10 a.m. too.
Yeah.
Which made sense because it was buy side. Took buy side. I was in it, but then I think I had to close it because of fear. Like, it just looked like it wanted to keep going. I'm not mad that I closed it, but I didn't have the best entry either. And then to get back in was like not possible. 'Cause I was chopping throughout the day. That's what it is.
I'm disappointed in myself. I did horrible today.
Who are you telling?
I did horrible today.
Oh,
I blew my account.
right here.
And then one of my practice accounts made $3,600.
Sorry to hear that. Well, yeah. So if I go to work, how am I gonna talk to you?
I'm about to leave out, so I gotta go to Verizon and figure some shit out, and then I gotta get some school stuff from early. But I mean, I can answer if a call comes through. If not, I have to wait till I get home and get on my tablet.
Okay. I mean, I don't know. Like,
I might have
when am I gonna
to
get?
spend my phone
Like, how am I gonna hear from you? You know what I'm saying? Like,
in.
when am I gonna be able to hear from you? Is what I'm saying. Holy. Oh, terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible.
Yeah. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later.
All right.
I'm gonna text you. Unless you can't hear me.
All right. I'm about to leave. Adios.